Brace yourselves. T2O gigantic legends are about to face the ultimate mega Pancake.
Meet the Red Titan and the Blue Behemoth, the most colossal challengers ever.
And here it comes, the 200 kg Mega Pancake. Look at that syrupy glory. One simple rule, devour as much as you can. No holding back.
And it begins. Who will conquer the Mega Pancake first?
Look at that! These giants are devouring pancake mountains with unstoppable energy.
Insane speed. Epic bites. The pancake is vanishing before your eyes.
Final 10 seconds. Give it all you got.